Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn natural language processing and its application. So, in the previous video, we learned about what is natural language processing and its benefits and why we're using it. So today we are going to explain some of its applications. So let's get started. NLP use cases by industry. So the applications of natural language processing in use in finance department, healthcare department, insurance department, and some legal documentation departments. So finance. So we're going to learn what is finance. Finance, in finance dealings, nanoseconds might take the difference between success and failure. When exceeding data or making trades or deals, NLP can speed the mining of information from financial statement, annual and regulatory reports, news release, or even social media posts. Healthcare. New medical insights and breakout can arrive faster than many healthcare professionals can keep up. NLP and AI-based tools can help speed the analysis of health records and medical research papers, making better-informed medical decision possible, or assisting in the detection or even prevention of medical conditions. Insurance. NLP can analyze claims to look for patterns that can identify areas of concern and find inefficiencies in claims processing, leading to greater optimization of processing and employee efforts. So the last one, application of using natural language processing use cases by industry, is illegal. Almost any legal case might require reviewing mounts of paperwork, background information, and legal precedents. NLP can help automate legal discovery, assisting in the organization of information, speeding review, and making sure that all relevant details are captured for consideration.